Welcome to Hotel Hooga, spelled Hygge in Buellton, California. I've stayed here before in a standard room, which I'll show you after this, but this is my first time in the deluxe room, and I'd like to give you a tour. As you walk in, you'll see there's an extra table and a comfortable chair, great for enjoying a private meal, writing a journal, or maybe playing a fun board game. Next to the bed, there are multiple charging ports at the nightstand so you can easily charge your phone or tablet. The bed is extremely comfortable, perfect for a good night's sleep. Across the room, there's another chair, a refrigerator for your groceries or snacks, and even space for my e-bike, which fits nicely in this spacious room. There are no bad views at this hotel. From the room, you can see the cornhole area and bocce ball court, and two gaslit fire pits outside. In the evening, the string lights above the game area turn on, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. Each room comes with a flat screen TV with cable channels, of course. The hotel has a very comfortable and relaxed feeling overall. The bathroom is fully equipped with high quality amenities. You'll find all natural hand soap, lotion, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There are plenty of clean towels provided as well. This is a contactless check-in hotel, meaning you don't need to speak to a receptionist. You'll receive your room number and a code to unlock the door. The same code also works for the extra towel room nearby. Now, let me show you the standard room. As you can see, the bed is still very comfortable, just a little smaller. The nightstands also have charging ports. There's a flat screen TV and a small refrigerator. You can hang your clothes on the clothes rack near the wall. It's a bit more compact in here, so my e-bike takes up much more space. But like the deluxe room, this room also has wonderful heating and air conditioning. The bathroom is the same as in the deluxe room. It has the rainfall shower, plenty of towels, and the same great bathroom products. You also find a hair dryer and a built-in heater in the ceiling. Everything is set up for a very comfortable stay. What's great is that the price here is comparable to the cheapest hotel in town, but the quality is much better here. So if you're staying in Buellton or visiting Solvang, California, this is a superior choice. Now let me give you a quick 360-degree view outside, and you'll be able to see the center island and the parking lot with two outdoor tables separated by a wall for privacy. One of them even has a gas fire pit also. In that same towel room across the way, there's a microwave and an ice machine, and it's secure, so you'll need your room code to enter. The hotel rooms are arranged in a horse-shaped pattern, and there's plenty of parking available for free. That's my tour of the Hotel Hooga in Buellton, California, a comfortable, stylish, and affordable place to stay.